Hi Wranglers, this is Dr. Sellers with a video about important people at Lang Ranch. Who will you see at school? This is me, Dr. Sellers, the principal here at Lang Ranch. I am the Wrangler-in-Chief. There's a picture of how I look without a mask, and then also a picture with a mask, so you'll be able to recognize me. This is Mr. Lynch. He is our teacher on special assignment here at Lang Ranch. In the morning, he has his own class, and then in the afternoon, he's here in the office with me, helping our Wranglers be safe, respectful, and prepared. This is Mrs. Williams. She's the office manager at Lang Ranch. She sits at the desk near the health office and is always ready to help. This is Mrs. Bargava. She sits at the desk closest to the windows in the office. She has helped us get prepared for school opening, as well as keeps us prepared throughout the year with materials and supplies. This is Mrs. Garcia. She sits at the front desk in the office. She's here to help people that come in the front door and get them what they need. This is Mrs. Kawaguchi. She is our health clerk at Lang Ranch, so you'll find her in the health office. Here's Mr. Medrano. He is one of our custodians. He's always working on keeping Lang Ranch clean and safe. If you see him around and you notice something's wrong, make sure you let him know. Mr. Stewart is also a custodian at Lang Ranch. You'll see him on campus as well. If you need something, just let him know. This is Mrs. Cheryl. She's one of our campus safety assistants. We will have lots of campus safety assistants at Lang Ranch this year. Mrs. Cheryl and the campus safety assistants will be wearing orange vests so that you can find them easily. You can go to them for help to keep you safe, respectful, and prepared. Wranglers, we can't wait to see you at school. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the important people at Lang Ranch. You'll notice other adults on campus. When you're here, those adults are here to help you. Can't wait to see you soon. Happy trails, Wranglers.